Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Okay. Can you find all the fields will be there, right? Suppose, if I want to select business unit name, so what I need to do? You hold this and you just drag it and drop it here. Okay. Now you can see the global information, and here when you go and click on, now you can select what are the fields you require, means what are the columns. Okay. So business unit name. I have taken company label, right? Company label also I will take. Then I can take department label also, right? Division label also. Okay. I'm creating a report for the company session. So now I'm taking the basic information of an employee, right? So employee class label also I can take. Employee status, right? Employee status, active or inactive. That label also I will take. Then when I scroll down, what are the things I can take? First name, right? Then what are the things I need to take? Last name, right? Okay, what are the things I need to take? Person ID, that is employment ID, right? And then, okay, this much. After taking this much information, I can click on apply. So when I'm keeping on apply all the information, if I want to see the result, I can click on result. You can see the columns will be shown. And you can just drag it up. And you can see how the result is coming, right? Before generating the report, only you can see an overview. Now the report is not created. Now it is a basic information, right? Which we have to start at up. Now we want to connect the company session also. So I will go to the object here. And here we have already going. So, if I go up in the global information, you can see a blue arrow is there. We call this blue arrow. This is extension 1 because you can able to go and see for other areas also. So, scroll down, you can compensate. If on this arrow you can see compensation, you can click on compensation. In employee profile, what are the things which will be the amount, right? Amount. All these things will be there, right? Amount currency. Pay component. So just hold this amount and just drag and drop it here. Okay. Now you can click on here and you can select amount. currency, frequency and pay component. These are the things which are coming under portfolio, right? In employee profile, you can click on here. Okay. Now a combination of employees' basic information with the compensation. Okay. This we have created. This. I am taking a scenario like that. You can go and select various scenarios here. Okay. When you want to create a report. Now. Once it has been 1 hour, once our requirement is done, then you can check the result once. And again. When you go here, you can see here. Personality, amount, currency. It runs in pay component. Can you see here all these things? Once it has been okay from our end, then what we can do? Here you have an option, Save Query. Okay. Click on Save Query. You can see query saved. Okay. Then click on this one. Return. And if you click on Return, whatever we have created, that will be showing here. Okay. And then click on OK. Okay. So then, all will be captured here. All will be captured here. Okay. Now we want to align the columns, the borders and everything. So for that, what we need to do, you can see Edit Format is there. Edit Formatting. Click on Edit Formatting. And there also in the table report, we have aligned the fields right. What should come first? What should come last? Right. So here also you can do the same. So let's click first. I am taking as a status, so what you need to do, hold it and just drag it here. Can you see? I am just hold it and I am just dragging it from the mouse. Okay. So this is something, and then I will again drag this. Okay. Then I will again drag this personality. Okay. Then what I will do? I will drag company, business unit, division, department, first name, last name. So let's take here the pay component. So pay component sequence I will take. And I will take the price. And lastly, I will take the amount. Okay. Now it seems to be good. Now I have to align it. Okay. So what I will do? I will select this column. Hold the Control tab here. And click on multiple columns. Okay. After that, I will right-click on my mouse. You can see Style Setting. Click on Style Setting. You can see the dots here. Click on the dots. OK. You can see this number is there. Click on the number. You will find the layer. It is coming. Border. Click on OK. It will come like this. OK. When it is coming like this, you click on OK. So now you can see the border is coming. Same thing you can select here. For all. OK. And then right-click.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.